You know why we build pressure gauges here in Texas? It's not the tariffs or the tax breaks or the balmy Houston weather. It's not blind patriotism either. It's you and all your demands. Here's an order with half bar, half kilograms, and 3/4 NPT, and you ordered this one yesterday and you need it tomorrow. Look, we get it. Your world is a whole lot messier than a standard catalog offering can handle. That's why we built this factory in Texas and hired these highly trained technicians to build gauges in days, not months. Because who plans 4 months ahead to buy their pressure gauges? No cargo ships, no quantity minimums, no artwork fees, no let me go check stock. Just rock solid gauges, built, tested, and engineered right here. And the kicker? Made in America doesn't have to cost more. Not when it saves you time, hassle, and retrofits. So yeah, you're a little needy, but we love this stuff. Keep it coming.